So we have a few pieces of equipment that we're trying to integrate out here from the Office of Naval Research, one of which is behind me. It's a Toyota Tacoma that's capable of driving itself remotely. Also, it has a remote weapon station from FN that's mounted on it with a 50 cal. The way we're trying to integrate that is as you would with a cap platoon. We've been doing combined sections with them, so it's 3 JLTVs with a Toyota Tacoma that we could drive ahead that in future development wouldn't have any Marines manning it, so we could send it ahead of our forces and reduce risk to personnel. We also have smaller versions of it called Master Blasters. They're little John Deere Gators, or it could be modified to fit on a UTV, and it has the same thing. It has a remote weapon station on the rear, and again, we could remotely control that and operate it to reduce the risk to harm to Marines.
All the way, so while they're just hanging around BSN, they can be doing work. Okay, now.